Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're curious about how businesses grow online, or you've heard the term digital marketing, but never quite understood what it means, you're in the right place. Today, I'm giving you a full breakdown of what digital marketing is, why it matters, and how you can use it to grow a business, a personal brand, or even start a side hustle. Let's get into it. Digital marketing is basically any marketing that happens online. It includes social media, search engines, email, websites, apps, even text messages. Instead of putting up a billboard or running a TV ad, digital marketing puts your message where your audience is, on their phones and computers. It's measurable, highly targeted, and when done right, extremely effective. Let's start with SEO, search engine optimization. This is how you make sure your website shows up when someone Googles something like best budget headphones or how to lose weight fast. If your site is fast, mobile-friendly, and has high-quality content with the right keywords, Google ranks it higher. And the best part? This traffic is free, no ad spend required. Social media marketing is how brands connect with people in real time. Whether it's Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, or Twitter X, it's all about engaging your community, sharing your message, and building a loyal following. You can run paid ads, post reels, go live, or simply respond to comments. It's direct access to your audience. If you want faster results, you can run paid ads, also known as PPC or pay-per-click advertising. This method allows you to place your ads on various platforms and only pay when someone actually clicks on your ad. It's a highly effective way to drive traffic to your website quickly. Google Ads, Facebook ads, Instagram, YouTube, they let you target people based on age, interests, behavior, and more. This means you can reach a very specific audience who are more likely to be interested in your product or service. For example, if you're selling fitness gear, you can target people who are interested in health and wellness. You only pay when someone clicks, and with the right strategy, the returns can be amazing. By carefully analyzing the performance metrics, you can tweak your campaigns to get the best results. This involves looking at click-through rates, conversion rates, and the overall return on investment. Affiliate marketing is when other people promote your product for a commission. This is a great way to leverage the audience of others to sell your product. You can set up an affiliate program where bloggers, influencers, and other marketers can sign up to promote your product. It's super common in blogging and YouTube. Think of those top 10 gadgets videos with links in the description. These content creators review products and include affiliate links in their content. When their audience clicks on these links and makes a purchase, the content creator earns a commission. They only get paid if someone buys through their link, so it's low risk for you and a win-win for both sides. This means you don't have to pay up front for advertising costs. Instead, you only pay a commission when a sale is made, making it a cost-effective way to increase your sales and reach a wider audience. Influencer marketing is huge right now. It's a strategy where brands collaborate with popular social media personalities to promote their products or services. These influencers have built a strong rapport with their audience, making their endorsements highly valuable. Instead of running a traditional ad, you partner with someone who already has a loyal audience. This partnership can take many forms, from sponsored posts and stories to product reviews and giveaways. The key is to find an influencer whose followers align with your target market. Their followers trust them, so when they recommend your product, it often feels more authentic and more effective. This trust translates into higher engagement rates and can significantly boost your brand's visibility and credibility. Everyone's glued to their phones. With the rise of mobile technology, people are constantly connected, making mobile marketing an essential tool for reaching your audience wherever they are. Mobile marketing uses SMS, app notifications, and mobile-friendly design to reach users on the go. These methods ensure that your message is seen quickly and can prompt immediate action, whether it's visiting a website, making a purchase, or downloading an app. Whether it's a quick sale alert or a reminder in an app, it's immediate, direct, and incredibly powerful. The ability to reach consumers in real time and provide them with relevant information or offers can greatly enhance your marketing efforts and drive conversions. Finally, analytics. This is where all your hard work pays off. By diving into the data, you can uncover insights that drive your strategy forward. Digital marketing lets you measure everything, from website visitors to social media engagement. Every action can be tracked and analyzed. Tools like Google Analytics, Hotjar, or Meta Ads Manager help you tweak and improve over time. Quick recap. Digital marketing includes SEO, content creation, social media management, email marketing, paid advertising, affiliates, influencers, and mobile marketing, and analytics to tie it all together. By analyzing the data, you can see what's working and what needs improvement. It's how businesses grow in the digital age, full of opportunities for solo creators and global brands alike. If you learned something today, drop a like. Your engagement helps us reach more people. Subscribe for more videos like this. We're constantly exploring new topics and sharing the latest trends. And comment below, which digital marketing method do you want to master first? Hit the bell to get notified when new guides and tips drop. You won't want to miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tuned for more insights and strategies.